Order of operations. In this video, we'll solve 4 different expressions using order of operation, PEMDAS. We have this one, this is another one, the third one, the last one. So feel free to pause the video and you challenge yourself before you continue. As a quick review, we have PEMDAS, but P is for parentheses or bracket, and you have to do parentheses or bracket first. E is for exponent or power or square root, and that will come after the bracket. After I have a division and multiplication, but you have to do with the order left to right. So if multiplication comes before division, we do multiplication before division from left to right. If it's a division before multiplication, again from left to right, we do that one comes first. Same thing for addition and subtraction. So let's see the first question. What is the value of 3 plus 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2? In this expression, we don't have parentheses or bracket. And also, we don't have exponent. But we do have division and multiplication. And we see that division comes before multiplication. So we'll do the division first. That means we're going to have 3 plus the 6 divided by 3 is 2 multiplied by 2. Now we can do the multiplication between 2 and the 2. So we'll have a 3 plus 4, which is 7. Therefore, the best choice here is A. Let's see the next expression. What is the value of 30 minus parentheses 5 multiplied by 2 to the third power minus 15? Close parentheses. So based on PEMDAS, we have to do the parentheses first. But inside the parentheses here, we have 3 different operations. We have the multiplication, we have exponents, so multiplication, exponents, and the subtraction. So we're going to follow again order of operation inside the parentheses. Therefore, we're going to have a 30 minus parentheses 5 multiplied by, so we'll do 2 to the third power, which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So we multiply 2 by itself, repeat it 3 times. You see, 3 times, and that gives you 8. So we're going to have a 5 multiplied by 8. So the 8 came from 2 to the third power. Okay, so we continue. After that, we have the negative 15 close parentheses. So we're going to have a 30. We continue again with the bracket minus. But inside now, we're going to do the multiplication part. This one here. So 5 multiplied by 8 is 40 minus 15. We continue. So this will be what? 30 minus, now 40 minus 15 is 25. So this is 30 minus 25, it is 5. So 30 minus 25 is 5. The best choice here is B. Okay, let's see the next problem. This one involves a division, yeah, a fraction, but it's fine. So we have the division here, we have the fraction bar. So let's take the top of the fraction bar. So this one here. But on top, we have a parenthesis. So again, we're going to follow the order of operation. So we'll have a 2 to the 4th power plus parenthesis 16 minus So we'll do 3 multiplied by 4 in the parentheses because multiplication comes before subtraction. So multiplication has a priority on subtraction. So 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. Divided by, now the bottom of the fraction bar, we have a parenthesis. 6 plus 3 to the second power, which is 6 plus 9. Yeah, 3 to the second power is 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So multiply 3 by 12, repeat it 2 times. So divided by, okay, 7 minus 4 is 3. We continue. So we're going to have a 2 to the fourth power plus parenthesis 16 minus 12 is 4. Parentheses again here, 6 plus 9, 15, divided by 3. Okay, so we see that the operation inside each parenthesis is done. Now, let's see the next step. 2 to the fourth power means 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2 again. So 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. If I want to write it down, 2 to the fourth power, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that gives you what? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So I can rewrite now the top as 16 plus 4 divided by the bottom. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so let's see. If the top is 16 plus 4, that will be what? 20. And the 20 divided by 5 is what? 4. Therefore, the best choice here is B. Okay, the last expression for this video. So what is the value of 7 minus? So this is the square root. The square root of 9. Okay. Multiplied by 4 to the second power minus 3 plus 1. So again, PEMDAS inside the parentheses. So we have 7 minus 3. Where 3 came from? Square root of 9. 9 is a perfect square, so square root of 9 is a regular 3. Multiplied by, we have a 4 to the second power, so we'll do that one first, which is 16, because 4 to the second power is 4 multiplied by 4, minus 3 plus 1. We continue. So this will be what? 7 minus 3 is 4, multiplied by 16 minus 3 is 13 plus 1. We continue. We're going to have a 4 multiplied by 13 plus 1 is 14. And now 4 multiplied by 14 is 56. Therefore, the best choice is C. Okay. So this is part 1 of order of operation. So part 2 will be more challenge. So feel free, to leave any comments for more explanation, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can get the next videos. Thank you.